Confused about what to do Halloween 2020? I have some events you can choose to do, either home or going out. Stay tuned. Hi, Jennifer Booker here, broker associate, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Florida Realty. And if you've been watching my channel, you know that I like to share insights in Palm Beach County. For those of you that are thinking of moving here, this week we are coming into Halloween 2020. It's like no other we've experienced. So I have some ideas for you if you like to go out during this Halloween season or if you want to stay home. If you're thinking of going out this Halloween in Palm Beach County, I have 3 events that you can go and visit. The first one is Spookyville Drive-Thru Fair Eats and Treats. This is located at the South Florida Fairgrounds. It's going to be held from October 23rd through the 31st. On Sunday through Thursday, it's going to be from 6 to 9 p.m. And Friday through Saturday, you'll get to go from 6 p.m. until 10 p.m. The cover charge is $25 per vehicle, and everyone has to be wearing a seatbelt. You'll get to drive through the fairgrounds, and you'll get to see some Spookyville friends, friendly faces. You'll get candy, you'll see actors, Halloween songs, and everything while staying in the car. The second thing you could do this Halloween is to go to downtown at the Gardens. They're offering pumpkin decorating kits that you can pick up at certain stores. The stores offering these decorating kits are Bungalow Palm Beach, It's Sugar, Pineapple Kids, Sloan's Ice Cream, the Spice and Tea Exchange, and Vagabond Apparel Boutique. You can definitely use these kits to do some pumpkin carving at home. The third event that I recommend is going to the Palm Beach Zoo. They're holding Boo 2020. This event starts on Friday, October the 30th at 9 a.m. and runs through the 31st at 5 a.m. They're going to have activities such as DJ, costume contest, treats, special events for the animals, and the admission includes going to these events. If you'd rather celebrate while socially distancing and staying home, I have some ideas on what you could do this year. The first one is go ghosting. What does that mean? This is actually something that most people have done for a while. So the idea is that you create a little baggie with Halloween treats and you bring it to a friend's doorstep and you leave it there with a note encouraging them to ghost somebody else. That way it shows that you're thinking of them and you're bringing them a treat while socially distancing. The second idea is still wear your costume that you have planned to wear this year. And while you're wearing your costume, you can plan to do an escape room. You can either do that while you're at home or you can do a virtual escape room. I have some websites that I will link below after this video so you can check those out. This is a great fun activity for the family. And if you do virtual, you can invite some other friends to do it with you. And finally, you can plan a scary movie night. And to have some fun with it, every time somebody screams during the movie, they have to lose a piece of candy that they might have won during your escape room adventure. Don't forget to have popcorn for that movie night. And here are some top movies that you could watch with your family if you have children. Number 1, the new Addams Family movie. Number 2 could be The House with the Clock in Its Walls. Number 3, The Night Before Halloween. Number 4, Coco. Number 5, Beetlejuice. That's a classic. 6, Scoob. Number 7, Hocus Pocus. And number 8, Coraline. Now this one's a little bit scary. I would also like to remind everyone about the Teal Pumpkin Project, as this is near and dear to me as a mom of a child who has food allergies. Just to remind you, the Teal Pumpkin Project is to let everyone know that you are giving out treats, if you decide to give out treats this Halloween, that are non-food related. For more information, make sure you check out the website below. Have a safe Halloween 2020, however you decide to celebrate this year. If you decide to go to one of our events in our area or stay home and celebrate with family. If you're interested in other activities in Palm Beach County, don't forget to watch my video on the 3 beaches locals take their dogs to, or my Fun Tip Friday video on Windows of the World. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up if you like this video, and turn on notifications for new updates.